Good morning, students. Today's topic is surfactants. In this class, we are able to understand what is surfactant and various types of surfactants and their types and applications of surfactants in formulation. Surfactants are the compounds are also called as surface active agents which are used to reduce the surface or interfacial tension between two immiscible liquids or a gas and liquid or a liquid and solid. These surfactants are most commonly used as a detergents, wetting agents, emulsifying agents, foaming agents or dispersants in a various products. Coming to surface active agents are also called as surfactants. Molecules or ions that are observed at the interfaces are called as surface active agents, surfactants or amphiphiles. Those molecules or ions having affinity to bind both polar and non-polar solvents. Depending on the number and nature of polar and non-polar groups present, these amphiphiles are again classified into two types and also balanced in between two extremes. There are hydrophilic and lipophilic. It is the amphiphilic nature of surface active agents which causes them observed at interface, whether these liquid gas or liquid or solid liquid are two immiscible liquids. The structure of surfactants are also having two portions: polar or hydrophilic nature of head due to presence of carboxylic groups, hydroxyl groups, sulfates. Another portion is having hydrophobic portion that is non-polar in nature due to presence of alkyl long chain compounds. These hydrophobic portion can be obtained. For amphiphilic molecules, there are having certain affinity to bind both hydrophobic and hydrophilic molecules in their molecule. Surfactant. What is surfactant? Surfactant is also called as surface active agent. This contains head portion and tail portion. Head portion is hydrophilic in nature and tail portion is having hydrophobic in nature. In miscellaneous formation, hydrophilic portion is outwards and hydrophobic portion is formed interior of the miscellaneous. In this center, both aqueous and or non-aqueous solvents or drugs can be enclosed. Head and tails. In surfactants, head group due to presence of hydrophilic functional groups like carboxylic groups, hydroxyl groups, sulfate groups to obtain hydrophilic nature. The tail portion contains hydrophobic or occurs due to presence of hydrocarbon or fluorocarbon chains. Based upon the tail, there are again contains different types of head portions: sulfate, sulfonate, trimethyl ammonium, ethylene oxide and carboxybutane. General properties of surfactants molecules. These surfactants are present in air, water, or oil and water interfaces. They form a aggregates. Due to form a aggregates at air and water and oil and water interface forms hydrophobic effect. These form aggregates in solution is called as miscellaneous at a specific concentration of surfactant is called as critical miscellaneous concentration. It means the concentration at which miscellaneous formation is started, that is called as critical miscellaneous concentration. Miscellaneous aggregates is also called as association colloids. Types of surfactants. There are generally classified into four types. Generally, there are contains hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. Based upon their nature, there are again classified into four types: non-ionic surfactants, anionic surfactants, cationic surfactants, and amphoteric surfactants. Types of surfactants. Ionic surfactants. There are again classified into two types: anionic surfactants and cationic surfactants. Coming to anionic surfactants, examples: fatty acid salts, sulfates. Example: sodium dodecyl sulfate, ammonium lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl ether sulfate. Next one, ether sulfates, alkyl ether sulfates, phosphate esters and sulfonates. Examples: alkyl benzene sulfonates. These are the examples for anionic surfactants. These anionic surfactants are commonly consist of soaps of alkali, amines, metals, and sulfated alcohols and sulfonates. These are not suitable for internal use due to because of their unpleasant taste and also produces irritation to the intestinal mucosa. Alkali soaps, examples: ammonium and sodium salts of long chain fatty acids of oleic acid and stearic acid and ricinoleic acid. Examples: potassium stearate and sodium stearate. Next, amine soaps. These are ethanolamine, diethanolamine, triethanolamine, isopropanolamine and fatty acid. Example: oleic acid. Next, metallic soaps. Examples: these are containing salts of divalent and trivalent metals, calcium, magnesium and zinc and aluminum with long chain fatty acids. Examples: calcium stearate and aluminum stearate. Next one, alkyl sulfates and phosphates. These are formed by ester reacted with fatty alcohols with sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Examples: sodium lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate, cetostearyl sulfate, triethanolamine lauryl sulfate. Next one, alkyl sulfonates, disodium dioctyl sulfosuccinate. Next one, cationic surfactants. These surfactants are ionized to be effective. Examples, quaternary ammonium compounds like citramide, benzalkonium chloride, and benzethonium chloride. These surfactants are also used as a secondary emulsifying agents in external application preparations. These are also used as a antiseptic properties and also having disinfectant properties. These cationic surfactants are not generally incompatible with anionic surfactants. Next one, amphoteric surfactants. Next one, non-ionic surfactants. These non-ionic surfactants are consist of large group of surface active agents are used in pharmaceutically. There are resistance to pH change and effect of electrolytes. There are having low irritation effect. Examples of non-ionic surfactants are glycerol and glycerol esters. Example, glycerol monostearate, propylene glycol monostearate, macrogols like polyoxyl stearates and polyoxyl castrol oil derivatives, sorbitol esters, spans and their derivatives, queens, cetalomacrogol 1000 and macrogol polyoxypropylene macrogols are polyoxomers. These are the types of surfactants. Another example, ampholytic surfactants. These ampholytic surfactants are those ionic characteristics depending on pH of the system. Below the pH they are existing as a cationic in nature. If they above pH level they are in anionic in nature, and intermediate between there are act as a Zweiter ion. Examples, lecithin and N-dodecyl alanine. Applications of surfactants. Based upon the type of surfactant, there are also used as a different applications. Non-ionic surfactants, polysorbates, sorbitons and polyethylene glycols. These are most commonly used as a emulsifiers. Next one, anionic surfactants, sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium lauryl sulfonates, soaps. These are most commonly used as a foaming agents. Cationic surfactants, most commonly used in detergents and also used in beauty products. Amphoteric surfactants also used as a emulsifying agents. Next one, some non-ionic surfactants available in market. Trade name Tretone X100. It consists of polyoxyethylene glycol or octyl phenol ethers. These are used as a wetting agents in coating formulations. Next one, non-oxole 9 composition polyoxyethylene glycol or alkyl phenol ethers. These are used as a spermicidal agent. Next one, polysorbate polyoxyethylene glycol sorbiton alkyl ester used in one of the food ingredient. Spans sorbiton alkyl esters used as a polishers, cleansers, fragrance and carriers. Next one, poloxomers tergitol and anthrax. It is a block polymer of polyethylene glycol or propylene glycol used in various formulations. Next one, applications of anionic surfactants. Pentex 99 contains dioctyl sodium sulfosuccinate used as a wetting agent in coating and used in toothpastes. PFOS perfluorooctanosulfonate Sketchgar Skradol Calsoft linear alkyl benzene sulfonate used in laundry detergents and dishwashers and detergents. Texopone sodium lauryl ether sulfate used in shampoos and bath powders and bath products. Darvon lignosulfonate concrete plasticizer, plasterboard and DMSO. Ni sodium stearate is used as a hand soap and products. Applications of surfactants. The commonly used surfactants are wide used products in shampoos, dish detergents, laundry detergents, conditioners, fabric softeners, diapers, and also used in contact lens cleaners. It is also used in industry to reduce the interfacial or surface tension between two faces, act as a wetting agents and detergents. To remove heavy or tertiary oil and over flotation, dry cleaning, pesticide and herbicidal applications, and water repellency. The summary of applications of today's class is surfactants are having hydrophilic and lipophilic components. There are form aggregates, reduces the surface tension of water. Classification, there are 4 types: anionic sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium cocaine glutamate used as a foaming agent, cleansing agent and emulsifying agent. There are also having positive charge. Cationic emulsifying surfactants. Examples: cetramonium chloride, prosycroyl isoleucinate ethylase act as a conditioning agents, antibacterial and emulsifying agents. There are having negative charge. Jupiter ion. There are also having both positive and negative charges in their structure, act as a foaming and cleansing agent. Non-ionic surfactants. These are having no positive and no negative charges, act as a foaming and cleansing and emulsifying agents. These are the properties and types of surfactants and their importance in formulation of various products. In this class we are able to understand the what is surfactant, types of surfactants and applications of surfactants in formulation development. Thank you.